Hey everybody, am I fooling anyone yet with my costume changes? No? Okay, well, today we're looking at 3 properties, and these properties are priced at $299,000 to $340,000 US dollars, and I'm doing a little bit of a special today. They're all located in El Parque, which is in San Antonio, TLAYACAPAN. And if you don't know already, San Antonio is a highly desired area to live because it is kind of right smack in the middle of everything. So you can walk to literally like everything you need. You can walk to a hospital. You can walk to a ton of restaurants. You can walk to get your groceries. You can walk to the movie theater. You can walk, where else can you walk? You can walk to the casino. You can walk anywhere, basically. Okay, so everything you need is right in walking distance to this, including Walmart and other AutoZone, whatever. Anyway, why would you want to walk to AutoZone, right? Okay, so the first property that we are checking out is super cute. And what you'll understand about El Parque is that all the homes are very similarly built, and that's to be expected with any HOA gated community. So, but each one has its own unique flavor. But my favorite thing about this one is that it is located right outside of the pool. So you'll see in this video that they had kind of a get together at the pool that day, which if you're someone who's into that, excellent. If you're not, if that would annoy you that there are like 30 people outside at the pool right now, then don't worry about that, because this is the first time I've ever actually seen it, and I've been to El Parque 10 to 20 times. So I have seen people at the pool, but not to this extent. They were having a big party that day. So anyway, I've done my duty as a real estate agent to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly, and just be like, if you want it this way, you'll have it. And if you want it this way, you'll have that too. Anyway, let's go see it. Alrighty, this house, this home, this property is listed for $299,000 US dollars. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 124 square meters or 1,338 square feet. The lot size is 256 square meters or 2,756 square feet. The HOA is about 7,000 pesos per quarter. It comes furnished, and it is in El Parque, San Antonio. Okay, we're gonna keep this nice, short, and sweet. This development right here is El Parque. For the sake of keeping this video a little bit short and not being repetitive, we're just gonna use this as the map for all 3. So here's El Parque right here. As you can see, you come out from El Parque and you are on the highway that leads you either to Ajijic or Chapala. This can go all the way to Joco as well. This is Centro Laguna Mall. It has a food court, movie theater, casino, some clothing stores, stuff like that. Nice little bakery in there, Scandinavian bakery. La Paseña is a really good seafood restaurant. Super Lake is where I do all my grocery shopping, and you could just walk right over there from El Parque, and it's a highly, highly desired neighborhood because it's community instantly, basically. And then you just walk out and you're right by everything you need. Walmart is right here. What else? Panino's is a good restaurant. There's a few. Cafe Negro is really popular breakfast spot. So here's El Parque. This will take you, this is the Libramiento. This will take you either down into Chapala or up into Guadalajara. So just to give you an idea. of the entire scope of things. If the homes are located right here, you've got Chapala right here, Ribera, San Antonio, Ajijic, San Juan Cosala, known for their thermal water spas, and Jocotepec, and then you can go around the lake to these other towns around here too. So from these homes, to Super Lake, the grocery store right over here is about a 1 minute drive. To the hospital is 3 minutes. To Chapala Centro is about a 12-minute drive. To Ajijic Centro is a 10-minute drive. From El Parque to Guadalajara International Airport is a 38-minute drive. And from there to Costco in Guadalajara is an hour and 16-minute drive. So as you can see, everything is very close to this location. Everyone loves being in this area because it is walkable to nearly everything. And it's a great location. You live there, you have friends right away. All right, guys, the second property that we're looking at in El Parque today is very nice as well. It's got nice color scheme to it. And what's really cool about this one is that it has an upstairs area that is enclosed. So if you want a bedroom upstairs, you've got that. And let's go check it out. This home is listed for $339,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 163 square meters or 1,755 square feet. The lot size is 387 square meters or 4,166 square feet. The HOA is about $141 per month. It comes furnished and it's located in El Parque in San Antonio, TLAYACAPAN. Okay, third property in El Parque is very nice. I also like the color scheme on this one. My favorite thing about this one is the big front yard that's kind of private, and then the mirador, which is basically the rooftop terrace is what we call it. But before we get started, I need to plug our businesses. We have a bed and breakfast, Estrellitas, and a cafe, El Gato Feo, both located in the center of town, and they are attached to each other. You can get to one from the other. The cafe is open every day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., and both businesses just won Best of Lake Chapala for Best Bed and Breakfast and Best Coffee for the 3rd year in a row. And we would love it if you would come and stay with us. Of course, there are incentives if you purchase property with me, things like that. So ask me about those if you want to. You can get to all of that from my website, therealamandaturner.com. You will find a link to the cafe, the bed and breakfast, and our MLS here in Lake Chapala. And there's also a form submission on my website. So if you have any questions or if you would like to go on tour, list property in the area, you can fill out that form and it'll go direct to my email so I can answer you right from there. So let's go check out this third property. Third property is listed at $340,000 US. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom on 1 level. Construction size is 113 square meters or 1,216 square feet. The lot size is 455 square meters or 4,898 square feet. The HOA is about $141 per month. It comes partially furnished, and you know where it's located. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more homes in this price range, you can click right here. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel, you can click right here. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.